back to my channel again. So this is again part of the challenge. Another 3 more are left, so that will be total 30 paintings in 30 days. I'll put them as playlists so you can actually watch at any point of time. So but today's painting is actually going to be very easy. Anyone can try, just a simple drawing and then some splashing colors, and then should be done. But
Before we continue, if you are new to this channel, hit that like button and please subscribe and share with your friends so that it helps YouTube algorithm to reach more people.
welcome back again. So the today's painting is actually going to be with the lamp post. But if you can see, different lamp posts are there. You can actually have just a rectangular, a cuboid, or cube. The one which I've drawn is that actually has curved sides but can be drawn with 3-point perspective. So if you are struggling with 3-point perspective, you can actually the link is in the description below. So I have a course on for basic and intermediate course, which includes all the objects, around 8 hours of perspective drawing for almost all the objects. So I'm still working on the advanced one, but you can actually have a look at it. But that's the point. So you just need to understand exactly where those lines are, how they are going to be drawn. But if you follow along with me, actually I've drawn a pencil sketch, and then I've used waterproof pen, and then just splashing of colors. But you can see the trunk, that branch which goes around the pole. You have to see how you are actually going to draw that. Just the lines with curved lines, and then splashing colors of 2-3 colors: green, darker green, magenta, and crimson. So these are the colors that I've used. And you can also notice that, like, similarly I've done one where one painting during this 30 days where I've not covered the entire surface area, rectangular or otherwise as a square. So it is just a representation, but the light actually I wanted that be shown as bright, so I had to put some contrast around it. That's why I've used a little bit of blue color just to represent the sky. Or otherwise, if you have any other color, you can actually use. For example, it might be a winter gray sky, so maybe snow falling. You can actually spray some white paint. Snow falling, snow flakes, you can actually paint. So many compositions. So just think about it during that time. But you have to think in terms of whether the branch which is going around the pole is actually going to have leaves or not, depending on again the type of tree. So those are all the things that I've given you enough ideas. But if you are following along with me, you can straight away draw exactly how I've done, and then paint along with me, splashing just colors. The beginner can do it. It's not a big deal at all. Main thing is the drawing, and then color application is just very easy. Some 1 or 2 brushes and it will be done. So let me know how it turns out for you, and then I'll see you in my next video.